Welcome to our reflection video, and today we will summarize chapter 8 and 9, products, services, and brands. So first of all, what is a product? It is anything offered to the market that satisfies a want or need, not only physical goods but also services, events, people, places, organizations, or even ideas. And what does a service mean? It is a type of product that is intangible, such as banking, hotels, or home repair. So products can be viewed at three levels. First one is core customer value. This is the main benefit that customers seek. And second one, actual product. It includes quality, design, brand name, and packaging. And finally, augmented products. It adds extra services like warranty, delivery, or installations. Therefore, there are two main classes of products. The first one is consumer products. It is bought by final consumers such as convenient goods, shopping goods, specialty goods, and unsold goods like life insurance. And the second one is industrial products. This is mainly used for business purposes, including materials and parts, capital item, and supplies or services. So now we're going to describe the decision companies make regarding their individual products and services, product lines, and product mixes.
Okay, so we can understand that individual product decisions involve five key elements: product attributes, branding, packaging, labeling, and product support services. First, product attributes include quality, features, and design. Product quality has two dimensions: level and consistency, meaning how good and how stable the product is. Features help differentiate companies' products from competitors. Style is just about appearance, but design goes deeper. It focuses on customer needs and user experience. Second, branding decisions are about choosing the right name and developing a strong brand strategy. Third, packaging is more than just protection. It adds convenience, economy, and promotion value. Packaging often includes labels and logos which identify and describe the product and even help to promote the brand and attract customers. Finally, companies develop product support services to enhance satisfaction and defend against competitors. Besides single products, most companies also manage product lines, groups of related products. For example, Apple divides its laptop into Air for student and Pro for professional. When we combine on product lines and item, we get the product mix, which can be analyzed by width, length, depth, and consistency. For instance, Yamaha has a very wide product mix from pianos to industrial robots. Now let's move to services marketing. Services are different from goods because they are intangible, inseparable, variable, and perishable. Intangible means you can't see or touch them before buying, like cosmetic surgery. Inseparable means they can't be separate from the provider, for example, a haircut. Variable means quality depends on who provides the service and how it's delivered. Perishable means services can't be stored for later use. Because of the characteristics, marketers try to make services more tangible, improve provider productivity, and manage demand capacity effectively. Good service companies understand the service profit chain, linking employee satisfaction, customer satisfaction, and company profit. Therefore, services marketing includes not only external thinking to customer but also internal marketing to motivate employee and interactive marketing to ensure excellent customer experience. To success, service marketers must differentiate, maintain high quality, and increase productivity.
Now, moving on to the next part, we have discussing branding strategy, the decision company makes in building and managing their brands. Some analysts see brand as the major enduring assets of a company, but the real thing is that brands are more than just names and symbols. They embody everything that a product or service means to the customer. Brand equity is a positive differential effect that knowing the brand name has when customers respond to the products or the service. A brand name with strong brand equity is a very valuable asset. Brands vary in the amount of power and value they hold in the marketplace. Some brands like Coca-Cola, Nike, Disney win in the marketplace not simply because of their unique benefits or reliable service, but a deep connection with the customer. In building brands, companies need to make decisions about brand name, brand positioning, brand sponsorship, and brand development. At the lowest level, they position the brand on product attribute or desirable benefit. The most powerful brand positioning builds around strong customer belief and value. Brand name selection involves finding the best brand name based on careful review of product benefits, the target market, and proposed marketing strategy. A manufacturer has 4 brand sponsorship options. It can launch a national brand, sell to reseller that use a private brand, market licensed brands, or join forces with other companies to co-brand a product. A company also has 4 choices when it comes to developing brands. They can introduce line extension, extending to new form, color, sizes of an existing product, or brand extension, extending to new product categories. Or multi-brands, market many different brands in a different product category, or a new brand in general. So, to reach out, successful companies must build and manage their brands carefully. The brand positioning must be continuously communicated to customers. Advertising can help, however, brands are not maintained by advertising but by customer brand experiences. Customers come to know a brand through a wide range of contexts and interactions. The company must put as much care into managing this touch point as it does to producing its ads. Companies must periodically audit their brand's strengths and weaknesses.
Next, we'll talk about Chapter 9, developing new products and managing the product life cycle. Firstly, we need to explain how new products are developed and why they are so important. So new products are so essential for company growth and survival because thanks to them, firms stay competitive and meet changing customer needs. Without continual growth, products will decline and firms will lose market relevance. So companies obtain new products through acquisition, like buying another company, patent or license, or new product development, like creating original products, product improvements, modifications, or new brands through the firm's own R&D efforts. Although innovation is key to growth, many new products fail due to poor marketing research, weak product design, overestimation of market size, or competitive reactions. So a disciplined process and customer focus will increase the likelihood of success. Next, we'll go on describing the new product development process. So this process consists of 8 stages, from idea generation to commercialization. The first stage is idea generation, which is the systematic search for new product ideas involve internal sources and external sources. The second stage is idea screening, which we need to identify promising ideas and drop poor ones early, avoiding wasting resources on unprofitable ideas. The third one is concept development and testing. So promising ideas are developed into detailed product concepts and tested with target customers for reactions and purchase intent. And the next one is marketing strategy development, involves creating an initial marketing strategy, then defines the target market, value proposition, sales goals, and marketing mix strategy for the first year and long term.
Now, we are moving on to the next part, which is business analysis. In this stage, management reviews sales, cost, and profit projections to access financial feasibility and alignment with company objective. Products development, the concept is turned into a physical prototypes. This stage involved highest cost and rigorous products testing to ensure performance and safety. Test marketing, the products and marketing programs are introduced in limited market to gauge customers' response and refine strategies before full launch. And last but not least, commercializations, where the company introduced the new products to the market. The timing and locations of the launch depends on market readiness, competitions, and company capacity. Now, we will discuss how companies manage the new products development process. Successful companies use three main approaches to manage new products development. First, customers centers new products developments. Firms are use customers' insight to guide innovations and create products which help solve customers' problem. Next is team-based new products development to encourage cross-functional collaborations between departments such as marketing, R&D, and finance to shorten time to market and improve coordinations. Last but not least, systematically new products development is involve creating a formal systems to help encourage, evaluate, and implement new ideas. This ensures that innovations is an ongoing company effort rather than an occasional process.
Next one, we will describe the stage of the product life cycle and how marketing strategies change during each stage. Every product passes through a product life cycle, which is known as PLCs, that includes four key stages. The first one is introduction stage. The product is launched. Sales are low and the profits are negative due to high distributions and promotions cost. The goal is to build product awareness and encourage trial. The second one is growth stage, which is sales rise rapidly and profits increase. Competitors enter the market. The firm focuses on improving product qualities, expanding distributions, and building brand preference. The third one is maturity stage, which is sales growth slow and profits level off, so competitions intense. Marketers modify the market, product, or marketing mix, extend the product life, and maintain market shares. The fourth one, which is the last one, is decline stage. Sales and profits drop due to technological advances, shifts in consumer preferences, or increased competitions. Companies may choose to harvest the product, reduce cost to maintain profitability, or discontinue it. The PLC's model helps firms adjust their marketing strategies, such as pricings, promotions, and distributions based on the product's current stage. And the last one of Unit 9, Chapter 9 is discuss additional product and service considerations. Companies must manage products responsibly. Product decisions must comply with
legal and ethical standards regarding safety, labeling, and fair competitions. Firms also face social responsibilities pressures, requiring them to consider environmental sustainability, recycling, and consumer welfare in product designs. In international market, product may need adaptations to suit local countries, economic conditions and laws. Some products are standardized globally while others are customers for local preferences to increase acceptance and competitiveness.